In this video, I will show you how to fix Afterpay not working on target. So basically what you have to do, so you have to double check if your order is being cancelled, and as you can see, you'll have to check your card. So double check how much money you have in your bank account. You must have 20% of the purchase price available on your card for your order to be approved. For example, a $100 order will require $25 to be in your account. And as you can see, is your card working as expected? Make sure to check that your card is active and unrestricted. If your bank has blocked your card, your order will not go through and Afterpay cannot override this. So you have to check these two things, and if you fix both of them, you'll basically solve this issue. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.